Hello viewers, this is Ganesh. So today I have brought an interesting video for you all students. So first of all we will see what is the importance of general knowledge. In short, the abbreviation for GK. Okay. So it spans way beyond knowing the answers to trivia and quizzes. Being up to date on general knowledge in various subjects and current affairs in different domains makes you a better person. From students to professionals to business owners to homemakers to retirees. This applies to virtually everyone in all walks of life. Here's why having good general knowledge is an important facet of your personality and helps you win at most everything in everyday life. So get better grades in school, college and competitive exams. Whether it is long and dull school essay or your prep for an upcoming debate, general knowledge can help you enhance academic knowledge. You may be able to stand out from the crowd if your knowledge on just about everything within and beyond your coursework is tip-top. So it is common sense to have a good grip over general knowledge and current affairs. So students in schools and college are in many ways expected to know what is making the world go around. So a high level of general knowledge will passively yet directly affect your grades in schools, college and even competitive exams. So importance of general knowledge for parents. Helping your kids fare better in school. So what examples will you set if your child comes to you with a simple example on science and you are left clueless? As a parent, it is important for you to display good general knowledge and impart the same in your kids, besides being able to help your kids with projects and homework. You will also be able to keep up with their state of mind if you are updated with the latest trends. Strong command over general knowledge and current affairs will help you get rid of the fear of public speaking, as you will no longer be worried about filling the long pauses and gaps. From being able to speak about interesting facts about a subject to holding a discussion with the audience, general knowledge is a speaker's friend. Their mere fact of being armed with well-rounded knowledge can give a speaker's confidence a solid boost before and during a public speech. So all this was the importance. So my dear viewers, let's start the quiz. So the first question for the quiz is, which planet is closest to the sun? Okay, here options are given to you. Option number A is Mars. Option B is the Earth. Option C is the Mercury. So my dear friends, the Mercury is the planet closest to the sun, while Neptune is the farthest one from the sun. A planet is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. So in this way, Mercury is the planet which is very close to the sun. So my dear friends, we will see the second question. Okay. So what is the sun? Okay, you can see the question. What is the sun? Okay. Whether is it a star or a planet or a galaxy? Okay. So the sun is a star. So the option number A is the correct one. It is a huge, spinning, glowing sphere of hot gas. The sun is just like the stars that you see in the night sky. So you can see the image of or 3D model of the sun. Okay. So let's see the next question. So the next question is, which planet is known as the red planet? So the options given here are, you can see, first option is, option number A is the Venus. Second option number B is the Jupiter, and option number C is the Mars. So the correct option is the option number C, and that is the Mars. Okay. So next question. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? So you can see the option number A is Neil Armstrong. Option number B is Ricky Martin. And option number C is Yuri Gagarin. And so the correct option is option number A. Okay. So as you know, the history behind this, in the past, if you see in the past, on July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon. He and Aldrin walked around for 3 hours. They did experiments. Armstrong became the first person to step onto the moon. He was joined by Aldrin 19 minutes later. Okay. The two spent about 2 hours together outside the lunar module, taking photographs and collecting 21.5 kg of lunar material to be tested back on the Earth. Okay, so we'll see the next question. So the next question is, what is the Earth's position from the Sun? So the options given here, you can see the option number A, 8th, whether is it 8th position or 5th position, or option number C is 3rd position. So the Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun at a distance of about 93 million miles. So such a large distance. Okay, or if you measure in terms of kilometer, then it will be 150 million kilometers. Okay, so our next question. So question is, which is the largest planet in the solar system? So option number A is the Jupiter, option number B the Mars, option number C is the Saturn. So as you know the history, see, there are a couple of different ways to measure how big something is. The first is an object's mass, how much matter it contains, and the second is its volume, how much space it takes up. The smallest planet in regards of both mass and volume is Mercury, the largest planet in our solar system. So by far is Jupiter, which beats out all the other planets in both mass and volume. Okay. So we'll see the next question in the quiz. So we wash our hands with dash to remove germs. So this is a very simple question. First option is toothbrush, second option is soap, and third option is tissue. So now you all might be knowing this answer. So the option B is correct answer, that is soap. Okay. So we'll see the next question. We can keep our nails trimmed with. Okay. So we can keep our nails trimmed with. First option is nail cutter, second option is shampoo, and third option is water. So as you all know, we use nail cutter to keep our nails short. Okay. So we'll the next. We make our hair with a option A is mop, option B is comb, option C is soap. So the correct option is comb. Spell it comb, not comb. Okay. So next question. We clean our face with. So we clean our face with face wash. Okay. So next question. To brush our teeth, we use toothbrush. Okay. Very simple question. So where do dogs live? So first option is den. So lion lives in den. So first option is incorrect. So where do dogs live? So it's kennel. Option number B is the correct one. And option number C is shed. So cows live in shed. Okay. So next question. I am made of 7 colors. So it's a rainbow. All of you know it. Okay. So next question. Which is the first month of the year? It's January. Okay. As option number A, March is the third month and September is the 9th month. So option number C, that is January, is the first month. What is our national flag called? What is our national flag called? So it is made up of 3 colors. So it is called as tricolor. Option number B is correct. So tallest land animal. Okay. So tallest land animal is giraffe. So next question. Animal with a pouch. So all of you know it's a kangaroo. Option number B. Okay. A kangaroo's pouch is the home of their young for the first few months of their lives. It is the place where the young are kept warm and get the food they need to develop into a grown-up adult. Even when their young left the pouch, they continue to drink milk for a few months. So this is about the kangaroo. Okay. Next question. Very interesting question. So which is the portrait of first Prime Minister of India? So first portrait, second, third and four portraits are given. So the question asked is which is the portrait of first Prime Minister of India? So it is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the most famous freedom fighters and the first Prime Minister of independent India. Since he was such an important and inspirational figure for the country, the children are taught about his personality and contributions. They are often asked to write a few lines about Jawaharlal Nehru in the form of a short note or Jawaharlal Nehru essay. India has been the home to many great freedom fighters and world leaders. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is one among them. He was born on 14th November 1889 at Allahabad, officially known as Prayagraj. His father, Motilal Nehru, was a famous barrister. In the initial years, Jawaharlal Nehru had his primary education at home. He was then sent to England for high school studies. He completed his graduation in law from Trinity College in Cambridge and became a barrister at the Inner Temple in London. He then returned to India as he was passionate about the Indian freedom struggle. So again, in the fight for Indian independence, he was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. Under his guidance, Jawaharlal Nehru took an active part in the freedom struggle, following the path of truth and non-violence. So due to this, he was sent to jail many times. During his one of the jail periods, he wrote the book the discovery of India. He also wrote a series of letters to his daughter, Indira, telling her about the rich social and cultural heritage of India and the importance of the freedom struggle. He played a very active role in the struggle for independence with Congress. He was made the president of the Indian National Congress in 1929. Under him, Congress took the pledge of complete independence from British rule. This was known as the Purna Swaraj Declaration and was officially acknowledged on 26 November 1930. This day is celebrated as the Republic Day in India, when India officially adopted its constitution. So my dear friends and my dear students, so I hope you all have enjoyed this quiz. So we'll stop here and all of you have a good day.